Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna space. Today is the day 40 of our 300 days DSA journey. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's deep dive into it. So today's problem is majority element. As the name suggesting, majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. And we have to return that majority element in this problem. So let's take the examples to understand it more clearly. As we can see in example 1, we have given a list. In that list, as we can see, 3 appears 2 times while 2 appears only 1 times. That means the majority element is 3. That's why we can see the output is 3. Same in example 2, 2 has appeared 4 times while 3 has appeared only 3 times. So that's why the output is 2 because 2 is the majority element. So now let's understand how I actually approach this problem. So in this problem, as I said, we just need to return the element which appears more than n by 2 times. That means maximum times. So what we can do, we can take a particular element and then find out that how many times it appears in my list. For example, we can take this list. In this, first we can take the value 3. And now we need to find out that how many times 3 has appears in my list. As we can see, 3 has appears 2 times. Now we need to move at that element which is unique. That means which is not 3. So as we can see, the next element is 2. And that 2 has appeared only 1 time. And thereafter there is no unique element. So that means the majority element is 3. That's why the output is 3. So now let's get into the code to have a more clarity about this problem. So in this code, first I have taken the length of my list for my convenience. Thereafter I have created a dictionary. Why? Because dictionary helps me to count that how many times a particular value has appears in my list. Let's suppose I have taken the 3. Now I can make 3 as my key and its value will be the number of times it appears in the list. Same, we can take 2 as my key and its value will be the number of times it appears in my list. So the value of 3 will be 2 and the value of 2 will be 1. So that's why I have taken the dictionary here. Following that, I have run a loop. In that loop, I am finding if my element at ith index is in my dictionary or not. If it is not, that means it doesn't appears in my list till now. So I will going to put that element as a key and it appearance as 1. But if it is not, that means that element is already present in my dictionary, then I am going to increment its value. So let's take the example 2 to understand it more clearly. In the first run, I am going to get 2 and 2 is not in my dictionary because currently my dictionary is empty. So now my 2 will become a key and its value will be 1. Thereafter again I will get 2 and this time 2 is already present in my dictionary. So that means the value of 2 will be 2 because it already appeared 2 times. In the next run, I will get 1 which is a unique element and it is not appeared in my dictionary. So now 1 will become my key and its value will be 1. Again, I will get 1 and now my value of 1 will be 2 because it appeared 2 times. Again, I will get 1 and now the value of 1 will be 3. Because it already has appeared 3 times. In the next run, I am going to get 2. 2 is also not a unique element because we already have 2 in my dictionary and its value is 2. Now its value will become 3 because it has appeared 3 times. In the next iteration, again I will get 2 and now the value of 2 will be 4. So now there is no element left in my list. So I am going to come out from my loop and going to return the maximum of dict1 key equal to dict1 dot get. Now let's understand this line. So dict1 here is my dictionary. Here my maximum function will go and find out the key which has the maximum value because I have given key equal to dict1 dot get. So I will get the key which has maximum value. As we know, example 2, we got the maximum value 4 and its key is 2. So that's why in the output we will get 2 here. So that's how I actually solve this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment, and thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.